this assessment, we're asked to tell why this molecule only gives one substitution product. Well, the conditions we're using, thionyl chloride in the presence of base, give us a hint about that. Let's start by drawing the product of the first step. We won't get into the full mechanism, but after the first part of this reaction, we're going to have formed this molecule here. Now, this group here is an excellent leaving group, and we have Cl- in solution. In this particular reaction, Cl- can serve as a good nucleophile to directly displace this good leaving group in an SN2 reaction. And so because it does an SN2 reaction, we get two results. One, the chloride adds on the back side, so we get a single enantiomer of our product. As well, because it's direct attack in an SN2 reaction, we get substitution only at this carbon here, not at this carbon here, as happened in an earlier assessment. And so, again, the use of conditions that are SN2 conditions is what allows us to produce only this product.